In this video, we'll break down the top 5 features that make Genius ERP one of the most capable ERP systems for custom, engineer-to-order, make-to-order, and configure-to-order manufacturers. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. We're an independent analyst firm that helps companies evaluate and choose software. This episode is sponsored by Genius, but our goal, as always, is to keep information objective, data-backed, and buyer-first. Let's dive in. Feature number 1, CAD to BOM, the engineering to production bridge. Ask any engineer what causes the most ERP frustration, and you'll hear the same thing over and over: re-entering design data by hand. Genius ERP's CAD to BOM feature aims to streamline that process. Designs from SolidWorks, Inventor, and other CAD tools feed directly into Genius to generate bills of materials and routings automatically. No double entry, no transcription errors. That direct link from CAD to production keeps projects accurate, quotes faster, and change orders traceable, all in real time. Feature number 2, job costing and project management. For project-based manufacturers, profitability hinges on control. Genius ERP ties job costing and project management together so you can track every dollar and every milestone. Materials, labor, and subcontracting roll up instantly into one view, giving project managers a clear sense of schedule and budget. You see problems before they become losses, and you can reforecast in hours instead of weeks. Feature number 3, product configurator and smart scheduling. If you're quoting custom equipment or high-mix builds, accuracy matters. The product configurator lets your sales and estimating teams create tailored configurations and quotes using real job cost data and ensuring what's promised is actually profitable. Pair that with smart scheduling, and production adapts automatically to real-world constraints like machine downtime, priority changes, or late parts, so every department stays in sync. It's the difference between reacting and proactively managing capacity. Feature number 4, shop floor control and integrated MRP and MES. Visibility is everything on the shop floor. Genius ERP's integrated MRP, material requirements planning, and MES, manufacturing execution system modules, give operators and managers real-time insights into what's running, what's late, and why. Operators clock in digitally, supervisors track performance, and every data point from materials to labor is shared across scheduling, inventory, and accounting. Feature number 5, in-house implementation and manufacturing expertise. Unlike many ERP vendors that outsource setup or leave it to you to figure out, Genius keeps implementation and support entirely in-house. That means you're working directly with manufacturing specialists who understand job shops, fabrication, and custom builds. Reviews consistently mention smooth onboarding, as well as responsive support teams who actually know the manufacturing side of the business. Analyst takeaway: from CAD to BOM and job costing to smart scheduling, shop floor visibility, and hands-on implementation, Genius ERP is built to make manufacturing more efficient. If you're running ETO, MTO, or CTO operations and need a system that connects engineering, quoting, production, and delivery, this is where Genius ERP shines. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see live demos, user reviews, or case studies, check out the links below. And don't forget to subscribe for more ERP deep dives and software breakdowns from SelectHub. See you next time. Cheers.